issue has been raised today as the people are saying that this judgment will hamper the peace talk process. What you have to say?
No, if the one organization is in the peace process and the president was engaged in the peace process in every talks, if presidents will be in the jail, definitely that there is no doubt, there is no question that how they will continue, that how organization will continue the peace process without the president. So that is why we are appealing to the government. There is still time that they should give priority to the peace process, because we are the indigenous of this soil, we are the son of the soil, we are the aboriginals of this state, of this land. And since long, the tribal people have been treated as a stepchildren, and that is why today these kind of slogans are coming, not from only the Boros, from the Kirbis, from the Dimasas, from the Ravas, from the Missings, from the Tuas, because we are not treated same, always discriminated. Now here, being a head of an organization, he had been put to bar, he had been convicted for life imprisonment. Okay, fine. Then what about the other armed groups leaders?
Right.
They have also killed children, they have also killed Hindi speakers, they have also killed SPs, MPs. Then being an organizational head, why they are not punished? Why they are not get arrested? Why they are not charged? Why only with the Boros? Why only with the Boros? This is the question.
So, do you think that this thing will hamper the peace
of course,
process?
we did not expect anything good, because the government, we don't get anything from the government, as well as the administration, the police, the army force. Even today, the court also has shown that you don't get same justice with the larger group of Assam, because we are a minority here, and it is very clear. So that is, we did not expect that something miracle will happen here.
So it has been
so
seen
now we'll be moving. We'll keep on fighting outside or inside. Legally, we'll keep on fighting. We'll go to higher court for that. Yes.
Thank you.